I'm Katie.
I'm Katie.
There's two Katies.
And we're here at Aldi today to show you how you can cook for 4 people under £5.
Okay, and we're going to make toad in the hole for you today. We've got 8 pork sausages because it's for 4 people, so we're doing 2 sausages each.
These ones that we're getting today are £1.25. So 8 sausages, £1.
Yeah,
not bad at all.
You can never go to Aldi without having a look at the middle section buys, you know. So we're going to do some mixed vegetables. We always tend to get frozen because they always last longer. So it's
Yeah. But yes, we've got 85p. So this one has cauliflower and broccoli in, so we'll probably like that one.
one of your 5 a day. We could do this for 125.
Yeah.
Want to know what's a drink to go with your food? 17p, and it tastes exactly the
Healthy.
same.
And diet. We're on the reduced fat sausages, diet lemonade.
Today's summer bods, girls. So £3.39.
Perfect.
You can see in here there's diced onions and like diced peppers, and I always get those because they're frozen and they come diced, and obviously the chocolate fresh onions will make you cry.
We probably just get this one, the small one. It's only 49p if we're just doing it for the vlog, but because we need some at our house, we're just going to get the big one, which is still 79p, so it'll make sense that.
These two are being naughty and having a look at the dessert selection, throwing all our reduced
Also, this is actually a great tip. They do a dupe of the Ben & Jerry's, and it's honestly no different. And this is £1.89, and the Ben & Jerry's one is literally like £4.75,
yeah.
something like that. So I'm gonna get this for my pudding salad. This is not included in the budget.
So we only need 6 eggs, and they are 80 each, so that's nothing.
Free range as well.
Yeah, free range always makes me feel a little bit better, even though I'm a meat eater.
I've got sausages, eggs, milk, what's that got? Potatoes, and now we just need flour, and that's all going to £4.64. And also, flour's one of those things that you might have in the cupboard anyway. Like, you only ever need to buy one, and then you never really buy it again.
You get like
So,
pancakes.
plain flour, oh my god, it's 45p.
Oh my god, is it?
It's a miracle.
So just to confirm, the toad in the hole. We've got sausages, we've got veg, which is obviously optional. We don't have to have veg on the side, but he's plenty. We've got 2 eggs which we're going to be making mash out of. We've got opening away from it. We've got milk, well, 6 eggs, and then just
Oops.
We've also got plain flour, so yeah, we're going to be making this in the next vlog, so be sure to watch that.